Subway. Angel speaking. How may I help you?
Hey y'all, do you do pickup?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cause I was wondering, is it possible for me to just get lettuce and mayonnaise? Cause my son is very allergic to everything else.
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that?
Is it possible for me to just get lettuce and mayonnaise? Because my son is very allergic to everything else. He would actually die from cancer if I gave him anything else. Be quiet, be quiet.
I don't quite understand what you're saying, but we have packages. That's what you mean. You want something on the side?
You say crack?
Huh?
Be quiet. You say crackages? Crack? Are you trying to sell me crack?
Yeah, packages on the side.
Oh,
Mayonnaise,
packages.
Whatever if you need it.
Okay, but could I just possibly get lettuce and just get the crackages or the crack, whatever you said?
Yeah, the packages, yeah.
Oh, yep, packages. Sorry. Yeah. So it's possible for me just to get lettuce in the sandwich, and then get the mayonnaise packages, right, sir?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. We have those packages, but what I'm saying is, what kind of sandwich do you want?
Just a lettuce sandwich.
Just a lettuce sandwich?
Dad, I want a burger.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Where's my fucking mayonnaise, Dad?